Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have futuristic choices for you. Would you rather build your future fantasy house? With amazing fun choices. But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. Round 1. You need a home. Make your choice where you want to live forever. Three doors are waiting. Which one will you open? Door 1, door 2, or door 3? Now choose a living room. Do you like the left side lounge, the center stage setup, or the right side chill zone? Let's move to the library. Which style feels right for your dream house? Next up, beanbag sofas. Which one do you see yourself sinking into? Time for the pool. Would you pick the Minecraft pool, the Minion pool, or the Mario pool? Your house now needs a staircase. Which one are you choosing? Imagine the jacuzzi area. Which jacuzzi are you diving into without hesitation? Now the bathroom. 3 toilets, 3 styles. Which one would you pick? Challenge for Spider-Man fans. Can you spot the odd Spider-Man out in less than 10 seconds? Time's up, it's hiding right here. Back to design. Choose your lounger. Which one is calling your name? Now the themed bathroom challenge. Which one would you pick, left, middle, or right? Moving on to the kitchen corner. Which coffee maker matches your style? Every house needs a pet. Which furry friend are you choosing as your new best friend? For your pet's home, which design is the winner? Back to your dream home. Which office building has the right energy for you? 1, 2, or 3? Quick challenge. Comment your favorite color, your favorite food, or your favorite animal. Now the kitchen. Which design do you like best? Your dining room is next. Which one would you choose for family meals and big celebrations? Let's pick your meal. Which one looks tastiest to you? Now head outside. Which backyard is your favorite? Your house needs a playground. Which one do you want in your yard? Let's keep going. Which earbuds would you choose for your daily soundtrack? Now time to pick your transportation. Spider-Man train, Stitch yacht, or the Minions flight. Pick one. Let's pick your television, where you watch jumbo quiz videos. Like if you won all three. Now choose your villa pool. Which design makes you want to dive in? Dream bedtime. How would you design yours? It's time for a memory game. Remember the position of every food and drink emojis? Where is sushi is hiding? Sushi is hiding under number 3. A cute challenge. Tiny paws are here. Which one is stealing your heart? Pick a cat tree. Which one is the winner? Inflatable pools are ready. Which one would you go for? Make your choice. Gaming lovers, pick your gaming room setup, where you enjoy your favorite games. Next round, what about your villa? Pick one. Now, pick your city. Where would you live? Paraiso, Rome, or Lucerne? Now your car. Which one do you want to drive? Quick challenge, like this video, comment your name and birthday, and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Which handbag fits your luxury lifestyle? You gotta mail letters from your loved ones. Which mailbox you install outside your house? Pick your scooter. Which one do you choose to ride around your new city? Do you want a soft floors? Pick your rug that gives your feet comfy vibes. Every home needs a garden. Which one is your relaxing spot? Pick your home office for deep working sessions. How about your phone charger? First, second, or third option? Coffee lovers, which mug do you pick for your morning coffee? Now for music lovers. Which piano deserves a place in your home? Let's pick your gazebo. Which one want in your backyard? Choose your favorite window view. Which one do you want to wake up to? Time for a new accessory. Which phone case would you use every day? And what about your bathroom sink? Which one matches your style best? Now pick your swing chair where you want to swing all the day. Your bed needs the perfect pillow. Which one do you like best? Imagine your balcony. Which style would you choose to relax and enjoy the view? Now pick your school backpack. Hello Kitty, Stitch, or Minion style. Pick one. Final choice. Feeling hungry? Let's cook something. Pick your oven. That was amazing future fantasy house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.